On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. That's what goes inside this cookie. This cookie is gonna use turtles and dove chocolate on top of my favorite Christmas cookie, a peanut butter blossom cookie. Except these cookies use Bisquick. Couldn't be easier. I know you're thinking, but Christmas is over. Guess what? There's 12 days of Christmas, and this is part of a 12 Days of Christmas collaboration. Grab a bowl, 1 can of condensed milk, and 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Mix that until smooth. 2 cups of Bisquick, teaspoon of vanilla. Let's mix that together. And that was the dough. So easy. Now you roll that dough into balls, and then roll those balls into some sugar, and then place them on a baking tray. I'm going to try to make some doves as well. Bake it at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. While that's baking, it's time to unwrap some chocolates and eat a few. Once out of the oven, quickly push in your chocolate. Turtles came out in 1916 by the Demetz factory. They're called turtles because they look like little turtles. Turtles is actually one of my mom's favorite candies. The Dove brand is from 1956 in Chicago, and they would make Dove bars, an ice cream bar. And they had those until 1985, and in 1986, Mars bought Dove, and they started making chocolates. Turtle Dove cookies. Scrumptious. This video is part of a collaboration celebrating the 12 Days of Christmas. Check my description to see who all is participating and what day they are celebrating. What do you call a flying turtle? A shellicopter.